Here we come to the elevator at Bench Street Plaza in Dallas, Texas. Interesting horizontal call station. But this elevator has an epic Chewbacca sounding motor. Oh, this is nice. 2. Epic. Oh, one button won't light up. Something is wrong with this thing. It won't let me back down to 1. That's something. I want to get a cab view. This is a nice elevator. I love the mirrors. Definitely from the 80s. But we're on the second floor as I try to go to 1. Look at this. It won't even let me go back down. You know what? I think I'm gonna have to call call someone for help. What's going on? Did it just break down on camera? Well, it looks like it's just... Well, that'll be it. The elevator just broke down on me. Well, guys, it's definitely broken. Also, something weird. Look at this.
I know.
Can't believe it. Well, there it goes, and that's it.